Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Subella once again. So you know, this is the packaging and let's get into it. So I got a few goodies. I got a set of press-on nails. I got a pair of lashes. Got these little makeup brushes. I got some HD wig caps. And I got this branded elastic headband, as well as this like information booklet on, you know, information on the wig and stuff, like different wigs that they have. So that's cool. And then finally, let's go ahead and get into the wig of the day. This is the wig we're working with today. It's Subella's 4C curly edge lace front wig. Well, it's a 360 lace front wig and it's HD lace, all right, and it's a curly human hair wig with a really, they call it the supernatural hairline, and I believe the reason why they said this is because they have the curly edge vibe going right around the perimeter of the wig, like not just in the front but in the back as well. So you know, when you do your updos and stuff, like the curly hair, baby hair vibe is still shining through. So I think that's different. It's the first time I'm working with one of these wigs that they literally prioritize the back of the lace. And as I say, it's a 360, as you see. It's also a Invisi strap 360 wig, and you know how good an Invisi strap 360 wig is because it's so discreet and very easy to work with. So to secure the wig, literally all you have to do is adjust it to how tight you want it to be and then adjust the knob, and it's pretty secure. That's all. That's it. That's literally how you adjust it, right? So that's how it looks, very discreet. And then there are adjustable straps in the very back here. There's an adjustable elastic band inside of the cap itself, and then inside of the cap has a total of 3 combs for added security. The knots are bleached on this wig, okay, and it's a 13x4, by the way, lace front. So yeah, that looks good. It's pre-plucked and everything looks great. It's a curly texture, as I mentioned, and it's very full. All right, I absolutely love this, and I think this is gonna be great. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-everything, so you can literally just drag this on and go finesse it to how you like it, and you go about your day. So we're gonna do a really nice glueless install with this. So right off the bat, this is how it looks once I slip it on. Just needs a little finessing, so I need to cut, you know, around the ear area here just so that it fits better on my head. So I'm just gonna measure that out. You could do this off your head just so that, you know, it's easier for you to see exactly what you're doing. That's literally all I needed to do to let it fit. Also, I know you can see the little cast in the front, so those areas that you're seeing literally doesn't have any hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut away that portion. So you just want to take your time and do this and ensure you're not cutting off any of the hair, literally. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the next side in case you guys are wondering. Before I go ahead and do anything further, I'm gonna do a glueless install today. So I'm gonna be taking my PS Lux melting spray for this glueless install. So before I even adjust the Invisi straps in the back, I'm gonna do this just so you know that the front is really nice and laid. Afterwards, you can focus on finessing the 4C baby hairs and stuff. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna give it like a good 5 to 10 minutes to, you know, dry down. this is how it's looking after I, you know, use my spray and stuff. So before I even move further with trying to finesse the edges more and stuff, I'm gonna just adjust the Invisi straps in the back here. So you just, as I said, you literally, it's so easy as 1 2 3. You just want to pull on it to how tight you want it to be, and then you slide it up, and then you take the extra piece and you just push it beneath the cap, and that's it. Ensure it's secured, and that's it. That's all. No hassle. You do the same thing on the next side and you're good to go. And then you can just kind of like adjust the back, like, and it's so snugged, guys. Like, it's super snugged. You know the vibes. It's a 360, so I'm gonna do like 2 updos. So the first one I want to do is like, I'm gonna do like 2 buns, like, but low buns, you know. So I just want that really nice fluffy look. So I want to do it like to this position. And then as I said, in the back has like curly, like the whole curly vibe going on as well. And then I'm just kind of combing out. I just want the curly portions to look really nice and soft as possible, not trying to make it look like, you know. I really like how it looks, you know. I kind of did a little, I just played around with it. Honestly, they're nice and soft, and you know, I didn't do too much. I kind of just pulled back some so that it didn't look too dense in the front with it and like unnatural. So you really just have to play around with it and see how you want it to be, but it looks great in these little 2 buns. So cute, right? So cute. So, and now let's get into the signature updo. So we're gonna do the top bun. You guys know the vibes. You guys know, you know, it's my signature bun. I'ma do it. So that's why I always love to give you options too, so you can't say, boy, it's just the one bun, so always give with a 360. I mean, it is the cutest little thing, I cannot lie, you know. And I just keep this on just to keep, ooh, oh, okay, that's a vibe. Like if you're going for that super edge, like, you know, done up edges kind of vibe. And then you got the edges in the back. I don't mind it, it gives that extra messy curly vibe. And I love the way I finessed these in the fronts. Yeah, but this is my second and final hairstyle. I love the little 2 swoops there. I feel like curly edges too, like when they come, like the 4C curly edge, if you want to get into the whole edge look and stuff, like it makes it easier to form like a nice, you know. edge vibe. I love that. It's so cute. Let me know what you guys think. Like that. Subella, you did your thing. If you guys are interested in this wig, the direct link for it is down below in my description box. All specifications are listed, all that good stuff. Any sale, any deal, any discount code, anything like that will be listed down below. But yeah, that's it for today's cute little wig look. Yeah, let me know what you think. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just gonna pick up on yourself. Bye.